Hello, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick little explanation about some things to expect for the exam on Wednesday, probably more so for just the virtual only kids. So I have my landing page open here. Tomorrow or Wednesday, this will be linked. So I'll get to school at about 7:30 or so, and I'll link this. That's when you can start the exam, and then you have to finish it before 4 p.m. Okay, so the link will be removed after that. So the same thing will happen on Google Classroom. And anyway, that's where you'll click. Okay. So a couple things as we get to the exam. Okay. And we've got a daily blog, a couple of them here, and I'll explain why we do the second one in a second. But take your shot here. Go ahead and get an answer for this particular question. Pause the video and take your guess. There's a question extremely similar to this on the exam. You'll want to know how to do it. Hopefully you pause it and you got a chance to get your answer. I'm going to go ahead and solve this with for you here. Okay, so first I'm going to draw my axes. I've got semi trucks and I've got mobile homes, and I can do 16 semis, 6 mobile homes. Connect the dots. All right, I'm going to say 16s equals 6m, 1m equals 8/3 S. Put a box around it so I know what you're doing. And we've got 1S equals 3/8 mobile homes. Put a box around it so I know what you're doing. And then you're all set with that one. Please do not hesitate to email me if you have those questions about how to do those. Okay, so your next question here is, what season do you think is the best? And I'm asking you to give me two main reasons. So some of the questions on the exam are going to be opinion questions. And so it's not necessarily what your opinion is that I'm looking for. It's going to be how you justify your opinion. So if you just kind of look at what how this sets up here. So I'm asking you which season is the best, and I want two main points of what you're going to say. Okay, so I'm just going to pick summer. Now, you know what? I'll pick winter because it's not my favorite, but it proves my point that whatever season you say doesn't matter. It's how you explain it. So I'm going to explain winter. Okay, and if you haven't done so already, go ahead and pause it and take a shot. Okay. So I went ahead and I started filling out some things, and I gave two reasons. So my first main reason that I like the winter is the holidays. And so again, if you don't like the holidays, that can't be your main point. And then I had to justify why the holidays are good. Okay, so Christmas, I'll throw even almost Thanksgiving in there too, even though it's not really during the winter time. But that holiday season, Christmas, New Year's, those types of times. Those are good. And again, my supporting details are what's important. Okay, so what is good about the holidays? Well, I get to see my family, and my kids like opening presents. Okay, and so I like those parts of it. That's fun for me. That's a reason I could say winter is the best. Okay, main point number two is I said that I actually like the snow. Reason number one is it's going to give me exercise to shovel. Okay, and then I said reason number two, I can have a snowball fight if I wanted to, and I enjoyed doing some of those things. Okay, so again, your justification of your points is just as important as what you're saying. Okay, and you'll see some questions like that on the test. Make sure you're taking the time to explain your thoughts, because that's how you're going to get points. Like I said, a lot of them are opinion based questions, especially on the virtual option. Okay, I'll have a short message for you on Wednesday for leading up to the exam, just to be able to touch base. Again, if you have questions, make sure that you are asking me.